ulit yung bagets. Sabi niya, tignan ko daw yung camera.
Wow.
Oh, good? Happy ka na? Oh. Kaina pa siya nangungulit. Sabi ko, sinisave ko nga yung battery ko eh. Happy ka ng kiyahe?
Mayang Sing.
Oh, yun daw yung pangalan niya. Oh, it's my first time to see Coke Zero here after 7 days. Alam mo, ang gulo-gulo dito. Nai-stress ako. Hi daw siya. Oh, go. I'm telling you, the usok here, the dust, and the pollution is, my God, nakakaloka. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Look at my itsura. Sorry, it's like super duper ginaw, so I'm gonna go inside na. I only bought one piece of roti. I didn't buy any gravy because I'm trying to avoid food poisoning. We don't want food poisoning. I'm still recovering from my throat infection. This is the safest, the tinapay. Kahit walang lasa, carry lang yan, go. Iginaryo. They put in the newspaper. I wanna have chai, but the water doesn't look clean, so I'm sorry. Not to be judgmental, but I'm just taking care of myself. A lot of backpackers are also doing that. You really have to choose where to eat, otherwise, good luck. Hindi ko siya knows, pero siya yung nag-a-assist sa akin simula pa kagabi. Kung sino ka man, thank you. Thank you, ah! Bye. Bye. Careful, please.